there.
Come on. I was going to put it back in the tree, but it's responding so well. I have no idea what it is, though.
The post online, maybe someone will know. Is that baby sparrow or baby
Wren.
Wren?
It's not a finch. Finches are really hyper.
Well, it seems to be a meat eater.
It's not an eagle or a vulture.
Poor guy.
I'm not your mother, though. So hungry. Look.
Poor thing fell out of its nest. Alone for over 24 hours. No one feeding it. You are this bird's salvation right now.
Foster mom.
It was breaking my heart to listen to it.
Just kept calling out for food all day long.
You're messy. Wait a minute, that's too big.
This is your day project, and you did it.
I guess I can't go to work tomorrow because I'm going to be feeding it all day.
Got to be every 2 hours.
Is that what they're saying? Come on, babe. Come on.
My mother caught a pet.